If you want to take them out for a car ride, they're the first in the car. They jump in. They don't care where it's going, but they're going somewhere. They're some of the most joyous...